data science or data analytics. If you are confused in these two careers, trust me, you are not alone. Every day, many students ask which one is better for my future. Today, I won't waste your time. I will help you to choose a right career, not a popular one. Hi everyone, this is Shubham from CodeTalkShubham. In this video, I will explain data analytics or data science in simplest way if possible. Clear a scope, salary and difficulty level. And most important, which one is better for you in 2026. Most people think like that data science and data analytics are the same. But that completely wrong. Both work on data, but their mindset, a skill and role are very different. Let's understand them one by one. Let's start with data analytics. Data analytics focus on past and present data. They answer questions like what happened, what did it happen, what business do next. Data analytics work with very closely with business team manager, decision maker. Daily work of data analytics: write SQL query, clear raw data using Excel, Power BI, Tableau, creating dashboard and report. The goal is simple: explain data in a way that business people can understand. No heavy maths, no complex AI model, more business focused work. Now we come for what is data science. Now let's talk about data science. What is data science? Data science is about of future. A data scientist will ask what will happen at next. Can we predict it? Can we automate this with using AI? Data science is more technical, more mathematics, more coding AI. What data scientists do: apply statistics, building machine learning models, work with big data, create AI based solution. A data scientist write much more code and work with mathematics and algorithm. Now we talk about entry barrier of data analytics or data science. Data analytics, very low entry barrier. Even non-coder can start. Math, minimal. Data science, high entry barrier. Heavy coding. Need a strong technical fundamentals. If you hate math, data scientists feel painful. But data analytics is much easier for entry. This does not matter means data scientist is better for everyone. According to industry report, data scientist job increasing 30% plus every year. You can sit in India and work with US, UK and Australian companies. Skills are matter more than titles. Now we are a crucial part of our video. After analyzing from starting which one is best for you, now I am decoding one by one. Choose data scientist if you enjoy maths, you enjoy coding, you want to make AI models. Choose data analytics if you didn't like heavy maths, you prefer business insights, you want faster entry in data career. A great data analyst can earn more than an average data scientist. This is 100% true. This is secret. Nobody even include in their videos. I am giving you a secret key. If you want to enter in data science, but due to high entry barrier, you can't able to go directly. So you start as a data analyst, learn tools, learn coding gradually, and then transition into data science. This is a smart path for beginners who want to go for data science. Choose the part what you want and work honestly, and opportunity will follow. If this video help you, like, subscribe and comment below your background. Thank you.